Days before the New Year's celebration in Times Square, the Crossroads of the world prepared Monday the traditional Waterford Crystal ball that will drop over Times Square. As happens each year, the Waterford Crystals were upgraded on the iconic ball.
We're here today replacing 192 of the Waterford Crystal triangles on that ball behind me with a new design, the Gift of Wisdom. It's represented by a wheel with these petals of knowledge growing ever forward. Every year we change 192 of these triangles, creating a patchwork of hopes and dreams on the ball.
For the second year in a row, New Year's Eve in Times Square will be a scaled-back virtual event as a result of the pandemic. The total number of attendees in Times Square will be capped at 15,000 as the Omicron variant continues to wreak havoc. There's usually about 60,000 revelers in Times Square. Indeed, the tradition remains even as coronavirus yet again casts a shadow over the holiday period.
This year, the mayor and everyone have announced that we're going to have reduced revelers in Times Square, but we're going to have more than 1 billion revelers around the world joining us on TV and on the internet celebrating. It's the one moment where we all come together, even if it's just for 60 seconds, as we count down towards 2022.